For me, I just, I know I'm a pretty simple guy. You know, ever since I was a young kid, I wanted to act. You know, I started professional acting when I was 15. And, you know, I've been really lucky to have the chance to have a career. And, I don't know, I just have always tried to keep it simple.
One day you decided you wanted to be that kind of person.
You know, I think it's just in my nature, you know? I had good parents. Yeah.
That's important.
You know, when you start out, you just, especially whenever you start out in something, you have hopes and you have dreams. For me, it was just getting the chance to act and I knew I wanted to make movies.
Digging on the web about you, I came across this.
Web digging.
When I was web digging about you, I found this phenomenon, the sad Keanu.
Oh gosh, yeah, that was a couple of years ago. Yeah.
Phenomenon, where people are taking a photo of you sitting on a bench eating a sandwich, looking a little bit sad, and it became like this crazy thing on the internet. I mean, what do you think about that sort of media attention?
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't think of that as media attention. It was funny.
That so many people were worried about your welfare.
No, I think that's lovely. But no, I think it was people started to do funny things with that. Sad Keanu. But
You're not sad.
I'm normal. We all go through phases of happy and sad.
Turning 50 this year.
Oh yes, I am.
How do you feel about growing older?
It's fantastic. Glad to be here.
You're not worried about aging or?
Of course, yeah. Aging means death. Yeah, I'm totally freaked out.
You don't seem it.
I am. But you know, it's okay.
Okay.
What do you think happens when we die, Keanu Reeves?
I know that the ones who love us will miss us. I don't know. I find in my career, I've had a lot of people disagree with me. But I'm okay with that. And I think, you know, I think that's part of the collaboration. You know, it's like, I have to understand what you're thinking and feeling. You know, if you're acting in the piece, if you're the production designer, you know, it's this collaboration of ideas. And, you know, it's called, you know, mana tai chi. And there's these things that we oftentimes, we have responsibilities. And so we'll make sacrifices, you know, or we'll be attracted to something and we'll make sacrifices to get something. And the film is kind of promoting the idea that we have to be thoughtful about that. You know, that you can sometimes sacrifice yourself, that you think it's for the good, but maybe there's another way.
How does Keanu Reeves deal with anxiety?
Breathe. Yeah, you gotta breathe. Breathe.
Activate the vagus nerve there.
The vagus nerve. Yeah, breathe. Try to figure out why are you afraid, what does that mean, and then try to just be and let not what you're afraid of define the present that you hope to be in when you go do what you're afraid of.
I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover.
I don't know, because if you're a lover, you gotta be a fighter.
How so?
Because if you don't fight for your love, what kind of love do you have? No,
you gotta realize he's the Matrix guy. That's some over-the-top fame. He hit that Johnny Depp, Tom Cruise level of fame, and then just became this super chill, mellow guy that can just like go through crowds. That guy sits on the subway by himself. No, like,
that's freaking awesome.
Yeah, but there's no obvious outward displays of wealth from him.
Yeah.
I mean, he's insanely wealthy.
Yeah.
When you see him, he's dressed like me.
Yeah.
He's got like a regular watch on and sneakers. He's normal as fuck, man.
Yeah.
It's real weird.